Hi, boo-boo. I like your robe. I like your robe. I like your robe. Say hi. Say hi. Don't be kicking me like that. Say hi. Say hi, boo-boo. Say hi, Kai. What? Don't get mad at me. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. My name is Kai. So cute. So sweet. It's all an act. He's bad. He's bad. What you doing? You know you bad, huh? It's all an act. You kick your feet? Want to show them how you kick your feet? Let me see. Let me see how you kick your feet. Let's see how you kick your feet. Ooh, bless. Ooh, ooh, bless you. Bless you. That's why we put your robe on. That's why we put your robe on. That's why we put your robe on, huh? Ding, ding. Go, 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 go. What? What you want to do today? What you want to do today? He's hungry. He has his bottle's ready. Tell me, who did it? You got tears? Who did it? Who did that? Who did it? Yep. Yep, we gonna get him. Say bye, boo-boo. Say bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Dum 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 dum. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Take it. Get it. Hello. Hello. Get it. Get it. Get the toy. Get that toy. Get that toy. Say hello. Say hello. 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 What's your name, Ty? He just had a shot. He's probably in pain. One shot. One shot.
Make a video for my mom.
You in pain, Booty?
You think it's in pain now?
You in pain?
I'm not in pain. I'm freaking tough.
No, that hurt. You got hurt today. Why are you just gonna let the toy sit on your chest? Here, I'm trying to give it to you. Yay!
But, what?
Yay! Yay!
4 months. 26 weeks.
Loading. Yay! Here, you can have it. You want it? You want it? You want it? That's all you want to do is eat it up. Say hello to the camera. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Trying to eat your toy, huh? Your mama's gotta get you a teething ring. Gotta get him a teething ring. What you doing? How you doing?
Who are you?
Fucking nachos up. What's that, Taco Bell? Say hello. Say hello.
Been all hunchback and shit.
Say hello. Hello, Ty. Why is he acting like he's eating something? Did you give him something?
No, I didn't. What
You see that? The hell?
I probably want some nachos.
You see how he's chewing on?
Mm-hmm.
That's hella funny.
Look, he's looking right over here.
Say, you come over here. You know what I want. It's your fault. You just gave him some fucking nachos. He wants some. Give me one. Chewing on my legs. You like frog legs?
Uh-oh.
You like frog legs? Don't be chewing like you got something in your mouth. Mad? I didn't do it. Hey, Pooda. Hey, Pooda. What you doing? What you doing? Talk to the camera. Tell them who did it. Tell them who did it. Who did that? Nugget, you are not chewing nothing. Give me that. Because if I drop it, it's coming right down on you.
Oh no, you're choking on it, huh?
Yeah. Choking on spit. Oh, it's so sad. So sad. Boy, you are carefree right now. Very free. You ain't got to worry about nothing. Okay, let go. Let go of my ego.
If you want to go.
Pootie. Look what your mommy did. She brought the food in here and didn't bring you nothing. I'll go get you something, okay? You ready for lunch? Say, yeah, I'm ready.